How could you be so blind?
They know each other. Wait, what?
I'll give you something to believe in. I'ma be the reason. So
Wait. What's going on? Does he have a twin? I'm confused. Oh, he has a twin! What? Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new to this channel, I go by the name of Power and Pappy. Alright, today we are here reviewing Burna Boy's new video for Real Life featuring Stormzy from the UK. And we are here, okay? We've seen the Monsters You Made music video. That was a moment. That was a whole like statement, okay, with that video. And this is another one where it's like there's a subtle statement under the song, because we've noticed some updates since the album dropped. Okay, Davido's Fam was a song that was regarded towards Burna Boy. We all know it. And this, obviously, with that song with Fam, it made me go back and revisit the Twice as Tall album, man. And trust me, my whole take on that album has evolved since then, man. And one of it is realizing the subtle shots that Burna Boy had for Davido. Okay, Davido, he had some shots for Davido, and this song was one of them that had some lines there. Okay, now I don't want to make the entire narrative of the song about Davido, because it's like one or two lines there. The song talks about a lot more than just Davido, okay? The song gives a vivid picture as to what life is and all the I guess the shortcomings that we can expect in this world, and things about relationship, about trust issues, about loyalty, a whole lot of things that the song touches on about real life, like as the song even says, man. So yeah, I'm excited because now that we have a visual for it. I think he picked this song selectively because he knows there have been some shots hidden in there for Davido. So who knows if they're gonna make any references with the visuals. We'll see, we'll find out, man, we'll find out. But anyway, without any further ado, I don't want to waste your time, yo. Okay, let's get right into this one, alright, shall we?
It ain't like you hearing it and it's like moving you. You know, music is, and the music you make.
This is in the UK, I'm guessing. Meji Alabi yet again. Meji Alabi, if you guys didn't notice, Meji Alabi is one of my, starting to be one of my favorite, video directors right now. He was responsible for Wizkid's Smile video, and, man, that video was a lot. And this is gonna be, I'm just excited because the standard, he has, man, body in. And now that we're in the UK setting as well, this is gonna be mad.
In the life you live, and where you're at right now.
Pull up like surprise is the president. Can't you see that kind in my element? I might just decide to slide on my element.
Okay.
I go along on a glide for the hell of it. I bring a different.
Oh, that's sweet, man. I love the fact that he has real life actors portraying day-to-day things, someone going to high school. That's sweet.
I go along on a glide for the hell of it. I bring a different vibe when I'm stepping in.
Okay, man.
Like I ain't right, I'm correcting it. Everybody know for sure I'm gonna take it there. So close it is and dot your eyes when you're messaging. I never subscribe to guys on the internet. Living for the cloud, telling lies to the press again.
Come on.
Don't take me for the fool, I ain't never been. Don't bother with lies, I'm wise when I'm checking them.
Don't bother with lies, I'm wise when I'm checking in. Come on, man.
Directing them back to the sentiment. Then you go see reality, go start arresting them.
This is the verse where we're getting the diss messages, the subtle subliminals, you know?
Didn't know you when I was telling them. But life real, I ain't living like the rest of them.
Stormzy.
yes, we are blessed, but it's harder to see sometimes.
Jeez.
Trying to find my peace of mind.
Yeah.
So how could you be so blind?
Damn, this is starting to be
You just follow your dreams and live your life.
okay, there's man on the wall.
I'll give you something to believe in. I'ma be the reason. So please stay. Say you won't leave.
Okay, the man's expecting already. This is sweet.
So please stay. Say the whole thing. Yeah. Real life is a giving you.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we're getting We're getting an interlude. Let's go. Okay, first off, Burna is such he embodies like the UK culture somehow. We obviously know his history, that he grew up in the UK for a good portion of his life, and like he has really been able to capture that part of him in his music and his visuals too. And I really like that representation that he's given for the UK scene, especially with the Afro scene. Like right now, it's being like a bridge for both cultures, and I'm here for it.
Time as well, man. Out here, bro. Jesus. And in that time, names have been ringing bells, you boy.
He's talking like a road man.
Style them guys, them go try now. Never, never, you must never make you find out. I know say nobody is an island. Them won't fuck you on yash, make you know like that.
Hey, nobody's an island, man. Nobody's an island. It's basically saying don't take nonsense, man.
But the way you done, they move, I know they like her. Somebody want to wear this shoe and no size. They will be Destiny's Child, a survivor. Real no be China. From your love in the dark. Never said ever been alive. Anytime you see me look up in the sky, I can see the daylight in the night. When you see a soldier smile, it's a good sign. It's the way it is in the south side.
Yeah, let's go.
Let you slide on this time. But now I'm trying to rap.
What's going on though? There's a lot of thoughts. Okay. We're getting a story out of this, man. I love this. Man's getting jumped. Yo, why are you jumping my guy? What do you do? This some top boy kind of aesthetics, man. Hope he makes it, man. Oh shit.
Have you ever seen an older get frozen in time till they're younger than you because you've grown and they've died?
Holy, wait, I recognize that voice. That's George the Poet, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's George the Poet.
They get frozen in time till they're younger than you because you've grown and they've died. And all you have left is a hole in your mind, a ghost in his prime, frozen in time. They don't get any more moments to shine, just media alluding to involvement in crime. And if their family, their friends, and the whole ends behind.
Damn.
Don't look at me like that. You think we pick and choose who gets to win and lose? You think we don't sometimes want to walk in different shoes? You think we don't see more for these gifted youths than pedal back shifts and moves? Oh, now your mum doesn't understand why the fuck her son was stabbed.
Damn.
Nothing on earth can make your dad believe there's a good reason why you had to leave. You left the man them too mad to grieve. Now your little sister's generation has to back the beef. And
Damn.
no one knows why this had to be, but it's real life. And it's sad to see.
Wow, that was amazing. That's real.
Yes, we are blessed, but it's harder to see sometimes. Trying to find my peace of mind. You said, how could you be so blind, babe?
They know each other. Wait, what?
I'll give you something to believe in. I'ma be the reason, so
Wait. What's going on? Oh, they...
real life is for living, but the price you make is on you.
Damn.
So please stay. You said the whole thing.
It's mad. This is mad.
Real life is for living. You just like that you live and be free.
Wait, does he have a twin? I'm confused. Oh, he has a twin! What? Oh man, that's sad, bro. That's sad. The guy that did the stabbing, right? I just think I just took it in. The guy that did the stabbing thought it was getting that guy, but didn't know he had a twin brother. So this twin brother was the one that was expecting a child. It's pretty much had a different path in life, and the murderer got the wrong guy, and you can see him struggle with that guilt too. Wow, what a movie, man! What a movie! You can see him show up in the burial. The guilt was heavy. I can see that encounter that him and the actual guy did. So they knew each other. You can see that he recognized that guy's face, you know? And I was like, oh man, that was a brilliant story, man. That was a brilliant storyline. Jeez. Sad, man. That's,
Mommy, you don't have to cry.
oh man. That was powerful, man. That was a powerful storyline. Yo, bond out all that Davido talk, man. Exactly. I knew he wasn't gonna make the video about that, and I love that he didn't make it about that because the song it says a whole lot more than just that. And now it's talking about, man, just like gang violence, man, and it's an actual reality for many people, and I might feel out of touch because I've been favored to not be around activity like that. So on one instance, it's like, bro, it's a huge thing. It's a huge reality for a lot of people, especially in black and brown neighborhoods. And yeah, Burna Boy is just giving that storyline, and that poem from Judge the Poet was like, wow, it's like very touching and just captures the atmosphere of that UK scene, because I have Judge the Poet as being one of those guys that makes appearances of people's albums and like here and there, and he always drops really introspective like poems, and he has a way with words, man, and it was just a very dope appearance from him. And yo, like I really like this video and the storyline of the song, how we saw the guy's journey going from primary school, I don't know if it was primary school but secondary school, and it was there with his younger sister. I don't know if it's a real life story or inspired by a real life story, but it was a very touching one to see all the people in his life trying to like say their goodbyes at the end. It was crazy. I have to watch this video again and again just to see all the subtle messages, because it was definitely one of those videos you want to play back again, man. I'll definitely be giving this another look, because, and man, yeah, it's very, very dope visuals. So far, he hasn't really missed with his videos off of the Twice as Tall album. And again, bodying the atmosphere that song gave even from the first listen. And if you haven't gotten a chance to check out my review of Twice as Tall, it's on my main channel. You can go give that a look. Trust me, my overall conclusion of the album has evolved since then. I was going to make another video for it, but I think I'll do that when I am ending the end of the year, like best albums list. I'm going to talk about that because that album has definitely evolved, for me at least. So yeah, definitely go check it out if you haven't. I have a new channel. I'm not going to be uploading on that channel. You're going to be seeing me more on this channel. So definitely would love you to subscribe and tell a friend, okay? Yeah, I have more videos coming, more album reviews coming. So definitely go check it out and the rest of the content on the channel. Okay, I've been your boy Emmanuel. Thank you so much for hanging around with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
The reason so clear, please stay. Say